Gen AI and large language models, or LLMs, have come along recently and disrupted the technology landscape forever. Companies now are looking for ways to harness the power of AI and LLM to drive innovation, improve efficiencies, and generate new insights from their existing data assets. In this video, we're going to look at where Snowflake have created some new services in this area to help democratize access to AI whilst leveraging your clean, well-governed and secure data within your existing Snowflake environment. And this has seen the introduction of a new capability called Snowflake Cortex. And these are a suite of services really designed to democratize the access to AI and LLM and make it as easy as possible to get access to these LLMs for businesses like your own. These services allow organizations to integrate cutting-edge AI technologies with their existing data assets that they store in their Snowflake account today, securely and efficiently. But what's the relevance to your business? Well, adopting Snowflake Cortex, if you're already a Snowflake customer, makes a lot of sense and gives you a significant advantage. For example, you don't need to bring in a second dedicated data science platform and then move your data from Snowflake, pop that in there, and then leverage the specialist skills in your organization to do that. Snowflake Cortex actually integrates directly into your Snowflake environment, allowing data analysts or data engineers to use plain old SQL, leverage these serverless functions behind the scenes that Snowflake takes care of. But what's the relevance to you with Snowflake Cortex and how can it help your business? Well, for businesses looking to enhance their operations using AI, Snowflake Cortex, if you're already a Snowflake customer, offers a significant advantage. It allows you to integrate AI directly with your governed and secure data within Snowflake and negates the need for any specialist ML engineers or data scientists to leverage and call these functions. These functions can be called using all of the existing Snowflake tools you have available today, using data analysts or data engineers, and these functions provide an open door to really harness the power of LLM and AI in a really simplistic way. These are managed services by Snowflake, so Snowflake takes care of a lot of the infrastructure management behind the scenes and abstracts away a lot of that complexity, meaning you and your teams can really focus on adding value and generating insights from the data rather than maintaining and optimizing these models. Data professionals then can use SQL, query these functions, and provide inputs, and those inputs are in the form of your existing data assets within your own Snowflake environment. So crucially, your data doesn't go anywhere else. It resides exactly where it does today and allows you to leverage these functions. Now, if we take a look at this diagram on the screen, you'll see that Snowflake Cortex is essentially a collection of AI and LLM functions. And as I mentioned, they can be called from within the Snowflake environment. Crucially, those functions work on top of your clean, secure, and governed data that already exists in Snowflake. Snowflake has then built a suite of services on top of Snowflake Cortex. Document AI is the first one, and then this can read unstructured data from PDF documents, for example. It can extract the data out, build a model on top of that, and then present that to users. And those users then can actually write questions in natural language and get answers from the information extracted from those documents. That model out of the box does a really good job, but Snowflake also allows you to fine-tune that and refine the model, improving its accuracy over time. The more you use it, the better it gets. The next capability is universal search, and this allows users to search for database objects within your Snowflake account, as well as products or native apps on the Snowflake data marketplace. Finally, you've got Snowflake Copilot, which is an LLM-powered assistant, and that helps generate and refine SQL code. Again, based on natural language, you can ask a question around your business data. Snowflake Copilot will work in a way that it's collaborative and as an assistant to generate the SQL that you might need to run against your own environment. You can then copy and paste that SQL into a Snowflake worksheet, execute that code, and get the results back from your existing tables and columns within your Snowflake environment. Now, with Snowflake Cortex, businesses like yours can engage in various AI-driven activities without a need for extensive specialist technical knowledge. Some of those use cases that we've seen are text analytics and generation, looking at sentiment analysis, and creating personalized emails on an individual basis for different segments of customers. You can also create AI-powered chatbots These are typically used for internal use at the moment to collect lots of internal information, make it really easy and accessible for users within your business to use information consistently and not waste time trying to find answers to things. So why does this matter to you? Well, if you need to integrate AI and LLM into your business in an efficient and secure way without the need for specialist technology or specialist skills, and you're an existing Snowflake customer, well, you should definitely take a look into Snowflake Cortex. Crucially, Snowflake doesn't use any customer data to fine-tune or power its existing LLMs. Also, all of your LLMs run within Snowflake, within your own environment, so your data never leaves that service boundary within your Snowflake account. Finally, your existing security model you use today on Snowflake can be extended so you can choose who can actually execute these Snowflake Cortex functions. I hope you found this high-level video useful in its introduction to Snowflake Cortex, which represents a lot of new opportunities for your business through leveraging AI and LLM. If you want to know more, please reach out to me or one of the team at Intelligent, and we'll be happy to help you further.